Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. Now, basically my next program goes here that write a Python script that takes input from the user and displays that input back in upper and the lower cases, right? Try to listen and understand my program very carefully because if you haven't done that, you'll be writing out the wrong program. See, my question is asking me to take the input from the user and display that input back in upper and the lower cases. It is not at all asking me to convert my entered string into upper and the lower cases. Understand that thing, okay? It is asking me to take the input from the user and display that input back in the upper and the lower cases. The two things actually differs a lot. Let me show you how. Let me go on to the OneNote for a while. And yeah, let's finish the previous one. Let me come down first of all. Right. Just 1 second. Let me take out the color as well here. Fine. So, my question says that I need to take the input from the user. Let's say I just wrote a statement that is my underscore. Okay, let me write out in a clear handwriting so that actually you are able to understand what I'm writing. So my underscore str, and let's say I just take the input from the user input, and let's say that I take as enter your name. Okay, let's say this is the one which I had entered here. Enter your name. Now, what I actually want here is the output, like what answer I just want here is that when I just input my name, let's say that is Shambhavi. Okay, so first output which I should get is that all of these things should be in the small character. Let's say I just wrote S capital, so I just want it to be in the small. First output like this, and second output shall be that I want all the characters to be presented in the caps like this, right? These are the two types of output which I actually want out from this program. I do not want to convert my entered string into upper or lower case. Now entered string, what I just meant from that thing actually here, let me write that thing as well. Let's say I have my underscore str and I write Shambhavi, let's say this thing, okay, into my program only, and I just apply my functions here and just print the output. So now I do not want something like this. I want to take the input from the user as an answer for some particular question, and then basically I want to convert that into the uppercase and into the lower case. This is the whole idea of my program that it is asking me to do. Fine. So as we all know that for converting anything here, like anything into the upper or the lower case, we have two functions. First function is my upper function, and second function I have here, which is my lower function. Two functions I have, upper function and my lower function. Fine, these two I actually have here. Now, upper function will actually convert all of my alphabets or of my characters into the uppercase. Uppercase means the capital letters, right? And my lower function will actually convert all of these characters into my lowercase. Lowercase means the small alphabets or the small characters, right? These are the two functions which we actually have. Right now, what I would be just doing is that I would be simply moving on to the PyCharm IDE only. I would just not write too much here actually, fine. I'll just write out the program onto this one only, fine. So my question was that write out a Python script that takes input from the user and displays that input back in upper and the lower cases. Write out. So let's say I define out a string as a like variable that is my underscore str. This is my variable name, that is my underscore str. Let's say, okay. Now next what I have, I'll be taking first of all the input from the user. Input, okay. And into the bracket, I will be writing out the sentence for which the user will be giving me the answer. Let's say I'll be writing that what is your name? What is your name? Okay, let's say this is the question which I am getting here. What is your name? Fine. I want the input from the user for this particular question. That is what is your name? Fine. Now what I would just do is that I would write print statement. Inside directly my print statement, I would write that my name is, right? Put out a colon, comma. Now, use out the variable in which you have stored your question, in which basically the user will be giving the answer. That is my underscore str. Put out a dot and use out the upper function. So this upper function will actually convert all of the characters, whatever the answer you will be entering here as your name, that you will be entering, that all will be converted into the capital letters. Okay, so my name is my underscore str dot upper. Next print statement goes print. Next I'll be adding print. Um, my name is, now I just want to print that out in the lowercase as well. So my name is my underscore str dot lower, and here goes the brackets, right? So I would be just converting that into the lowercase as well. So my underscore str dot upper and my underscore str dot lower. This is how I'll be proceeding on with the program. Now, if I just try to run it out here, so it's asking me that what is your name? Let's say I just entered that what is your name. Let's say I just entered the answer as just 1 second, that is Shambhavi. Okay, Phavi, let's say. Okay, and I hit enter. So just have a first of all that in the first one I'm getting all the things into the uppercase, because first of all I had applied out my function that is upper. Right. So now second what I'm getting that my name is, and here everything is coming in this small characters that is in my lower case, because I have used out my lower function here. Right. So first of all my upper function is being used, and at the second position my lower function is being used. So this is how we can write out a Python script that takes the input from the user and displays that input back in upper and lower cases. Input has been taken by the user, and that is being actually returned in the upper and the lower cases, right? This is actually how we just write out a program like this, okay? Hope you have got the fair and a clear idea. First of all, the use of the upper and the lower cases. Then what is my question actually asking me to do? It is not at all asking me to convert the entered string, like you have written out a string, and it is not asking me to convert that into upper and lower cases. It is asking me to take the input from the user and then convert that input back into the upper and the lower cases. Right, so this is the whole idea regarding this program that I have written, and I hope you have got this in a very clear and a fair idea. And now whenever you just want to use out the upper and lower functions, I hope that you'll be able to use out these two functions on your own. Right, so this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.